What is a PnP device? A PnP device is a hardware component that can be automatically detected and configured by a computer system. No need for manual intervention. When connected, the operating system handles driver installation and configuration. How does PnP work? The magic happens in a few steps. Device detection. The computer senses the new device. Driver identification. The OS finds the right driver. Driver installation. The driver is automatically installed. Configuration. The OS configures the device's settings. Ready to use. The device is now ready for action. The benefits of PnP PnP devices offer a host of advantages. Ease of use. No technical expertise required. Time saving. Quick and hassle-free setup. Compatibility ensures smooth operation with different systems. Flexibility, easily connect and disconnect devices as needed. Common PnP devices. You have likely encountered many PnP devices. USB devices, flash drives, printers, and more. Bluetooth devices, headphones, keyboards, and other wireless gadgets. External monitors, for expanded screen space. PCIe expansion cards, for adding extra functionality to your PC. A smoother tech experience. PnP technology has revolutionized how we connect devices to computers. It's made the process simpler, faster, and more user-friendly. So, the next time you plug in a new device, sit back and let PnP do its thing.